Hello, this is Chris Stocker Design. Flickr have thousands of images from the British Library, and you can download them. Most of them have, well, it's a free service. This one here, so you find it, you find the image that you want, and then you download it at whatever size you want. I mean, well, it's whatever size it is actually. I mean, this one here, I've just downloaded it. What size is it? Image size, 49 centimeters at 72 dpi. Alright, how can I use this thing? Well, first of all, let's make it really huge. Let's make it 49 centimeters at 300 dpi. That's a huge file now. Right, okay, let's do that. Good. Let's convert it to black and white, to grayscale, in other words. Good. Let's make it completely black and white. Pretty cool. And the quality's not brilliant, is it? Let's fix it. Let's first of all blur it. I know that sounds a little bit counterintuitive, but let's filter, blur, Gaussian blur. There. Let's go into curves and try and fill in these areas. There we go. I think that's all black and white now. There we go. How cool is that? I've got a few little anomalies, but that's now at 300 dpi, a huge size. See, I've got some little problems with areas like that, so I just have to go in and fix that again. Command M. Right. Perfect. That's it. Now, how can I use that? Right, well, here we go. Let's select it all, copy it, change this to RGB. Let's make the background. So I've already copied it. Let's make the background purple or something. I'm just kind of winging this. I don't really know what I'm doing with it yet. That wasn't purple, was it? Command D, go into quick mask mode, paste that image in. There it is. Come out of it. Now we can, oh, wrong way around. There we go. Now I can fill that whatever colour I want, really. Let's just change that to yellow, maybe, I don't know. Try an orange, let's try that. But yeah, so now it can really be played around with, you know, it's now on a transparent layer at 300 dpi in a different colour. That obviously, well, I don't know what colour I changed that to, maybe even black or something. Oh, it's Option Shift and delete to fill just the just the non-transparent areas, so it's not filling in anything transparent. But yeah, so that's kind of cool. Well, you could go in and even colour this image. Why not? You could make this a full colour image just by sort of going in and, well, let me think about this. Okay, alright, here we go. Let's select, load the whole thing as selection. Go into quick mask mode, select the background, the inner bits, invert that. delete, not content aware, no. Foreground colour, background colour. Come out of the quick mask mode. Okay, right, now if I make a new layer here and fill it with a different colour, find something red maybe. There you go. So now you've got this, now you've got that and that. Not sure whether that's the best colour, but you could not just colour it one colour. You could colour that sort of like orange. You could go in and actually make that skin colour now, you know, light skin. That could be pink, and the hair could be, I don't know, whatever colour. But yeah, you could go in at that point and colour up the whole thing so that it's in full colour, which would be kind of cool as well. But there's a lot of versatility to what you can do with a plain black and white image. I think, you know, I think that there would be cut out. Yeah, there we go, that's nicer, isn't it? But anyway, yeah, Chris Stucker Design, doing stuff with stuff.